Good evening, my students. Welcome in a new lesson. Today I am going to be talking about the future simple. Our lesson today is going to be the future simple. First, let's look at the dialogue we have here. Okay, I want you to pause the video for 30 seconds and read the dialogue. Okay, now I will explain the dialogue. Adil, hi Ahmed. Ahmed, hello Adil. Adil, where will you travel next summer? Ahmed, I will travel to Marrakesh. What about you? Adil, I don't have money, so I will not travel this summer. Ahmed, so you will stay at home. Adil, yes, I will. Okay, so I will explain now the dialogue. So this dialogue is between Adil and Ahmed. So Adil asks Ahmed about the summer. Okay, Adil, hi Ahmed. So hi Ahmed. Ahmed, hello Adil. Adil, where? Where will you travel next summer? So what is the verb travel? The verb travel. Travel is to, so for example, I am in Tetouan now. In the summer, I will travel to Marrakesh. So I travel. Okay. Where will you travel next summer? Ahmed answers, I will travel to Marrakesh. What about you? What about Adil? Okay, what about you? It's like we say, for example, how are you? I am fine. What about you? Okay, what about you? Now, Adil answers, I don't have money. So Adil does not have money. I don't have money, so I will not travel this summer. I will not travel this summer. So Adil will not travel this summer because he doesn't have money. Ahmed, so you will stay at home. Adil, yes, I will. Okay, so this dialogue has a lot of sentences that contain the future simple. Okay, so when do we use the future? In the future, in the mustaqbal, in the future. Okay, so here we have, for example, next summer. What is next summer? This summer. الصيف, next summer. Okay, next summer. الصيف المقبل, next summer. Okay, now we use the future simple with future plans. Okay, now let's continue our lesson. I want you to pause this video. Try to pause this video to pause this video and try to write down the sentences that contain the future simple. Okay? Now I will continue. I will give you now the sentences that contain the future simple. Okay? So in every tense we have three forms. Okay? The affirmative, the interrogative, and the negative. The affirmative is the normal sentence. Okay? Like for example, for the verb to be in the present simple, the affirmative is, for me, is I am. Okay? The normal sentence is affirmative. The interrogative is the question. The question mark. The question. The negative is not. The negative, we use not. Okay? In the negative. So I am affirmative. Am I interrogative? I am not negative. Okay? Now, let's highlight an affirmative sentence in this dialogue. Okay, so where is the affirmative sentence here? Okay, this one is for example, this one is an affirmative sentence. Okay, this is an affirmative sentence. So I will travel to Marrakesh. Okay, now the interrogative sentence. So this is an interrogative sentence. Where will you travel next summer? Okay, where will you travel? This is a question. Okay, we have a question mark. Now the negative, we have I will not travel this summer. I will not travel this summer. This is the negative. We have not. I will not travel this summer. Now let's go to the rules. The rules. So the affirmative, the interrogative, and the negative. Okay, this is the affirmative, the interrogative, and the negative. And we have the examples for every form. Okay, for the affirmative, I will not travel to Marrakesh. This is the example. I will not travel to Marrakesh. For the interrogative, will you travel? So in the text we have where will you travel? To make it simple, I only put will you travel. Okay? For the negative, I will not travel this summer. I will not travel this summer. Now let's take the rules from every form. Okay? From every sentence here. So what is I here? I is the I will not travel. I will travel to Marrakesh. So what is I here? Is a subject plus will plus infinitive without to. What is the infinitive without to? The infinitive without to is the verb when it is not conjugated without to. For example, we say the verb to be. If you remember the verb to be, we don't say the verb be. The verb to be, the infinitive is to be. Without to is minus to. Okay, we remove to. So to be without to is be. We say I will be, not I will to be. So subject plus will plus infinitive without to. We say I will travel to Marrakesh, not I will to travel. Okay? So subject I plus will plus infinitive without to, travel. Now the interrogative. Will you travel? What do we notice here? We switch. We switch the auxiliary verbs, the auxiliary verb and the subject. So will you subject travel infinitive without to. So the rule is will plus subject plus infinitive without to. Will you travel? Okay, so in the affirmative we have subject will. In the interrogative we have will subject. Okay, we switch the auxiliary verb and the subject. So what is will? What is an auxiliary verb or a helping verb? So a helping verb is a verb that helps the main verb. The main verb, for example, will is the helping verb or the auxiliary verb. It helps the main verb travel to express what? The future. Okay? Now the negative, I will not travel this summer. So subject I plus will plus not plus infinitive without to. I, so subject I will not travel this summer. Okay, I will not travel. Finally, we have the future, the short answer. Okay, so what is the short answer? For example, if someone asks you, will teacher Omar come tomorrow? The answer is yes, he will, or no, he will not. Short answer. We don't say yes, teacher Omar will come. No, short answer. Yes, he will. No, he will not. So in our dialogue, we have a positive short answer. So you will say at home, yes, I will. This is a short answer. So yes plus subject pronoun plus will. So this is the rule. This is the rule for the short answer. Positive short answer, yes, I will. So yes, subject pronoun plus will. Negative short answer, no, I will not. No, subject pronoun plus will not. Okay, now let's move to some practice. I want you to pause this video now. Okay? Now you wrote the rules, okay? Now I want you to pause this video and do this exercise, okay? Do this exercise. Okay, fill in the blanks or conjugate the verbs between brackets, okay? Now I will do the exercise now. Okay. So she buy a new car next month. So this next month. So this sentence, affirmative or negative or interrogative. We have no question mark and we don't have not. So this is an affirmative sentence. Our rule is subject plus will plus infinitive without to. The subject is she plus will plus buy, which is the infinitive without to, and we continue the sentence. She will buy a new car next month. So next month is the future, next month. The next sentence. Mehdi and Karim not meet tomorrow. So this is a negative sentence because we have not. So we write, so what is the rule for the negative? Future simple negative. Subject plus will plus not plus infinitive without to. So what is the subject here? Mehdi and Karim plus will plus not. Infinitive without to is meet tomorrow. Okay, we continue the sentence. The next sentence is Hind write the email tomorrow. So this is an affirmative sentence. We have no question mark and no not. Okay, so this is an affirmative sentence. The rule for the affirmative is subject plus will plus infinitive without to. So the subject is Hind plus will. The infinitive without to is right. Hind will write the email tomorrow. Now this is an interrogative sentence because we have a question mark. Okay, this is a question mark. So what is the rule for the interrogative in the future simple? The rule is will plus subject plus infinitive without to. So will plus subject they plus infinitive without to watch, the verb to watch, watch TV. Will they watch the movie next weekend? Will they watch the movie next weekend? Okay. Now the next sentence is Mr. Brown not teach tomorrow because he is sick. So Mr. Brown is sick. Like now there is corona in our country. Okay. I am teaching you now on the internet because there is corona in our country. If we go out, we will be sick of corona. Okay. So Mr. Brown not teach tomorrow. So this sentence is negative. The rule for the negative is subject plus will plus not plus infinitive without to. So Mr. Brown is the subject plus will plus not plus infinitive without to teach. The verb to teach. I am a teacher. I teach you now. Okay. We continue the sentence. Now the next sentence is he visits you tomorrow. So we have a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. What is the rule for the interrogative? Will plus subject plus infinitive without to. So we put will. What is the subject? He. Infinitive without to visit you tomorrow plus our question mark. Okay. Now sentence number 7. Linda sell her house next year. So sell. So what is I sell? So this is a phone. I sell this phone to someone. Okay, for 1,000 dirhams. Okay, can you give me 1,000 dirhams for this phone? So I sell this phone. Okay, what is a house? This is I am teaching you now from my house. Okay, Linda sell her house next year. So this is an affirmative sentence. Again, what is the rule for the affirmative form in the future simple? Subject plus will plus infinitive without to. So subject Linda plus will. Linda will sell infinitive without to her house next year. Finally, we have they not be at home next week. So this is a negative sentence because we have not. Okay, so what is the rule for the negative? Subject plus will plus not plus infinitive without to. What is the subject? They will not be at home, and we continue our sentence. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.